half adder. Here we are going to see what is adder circuit and what is the basic operation of the half adder and how to draw the logic diagram of half adder using the basic logic gates. Previous sessions we have seen different basic logic gates like AND, OR and NOT, and what is meant by the combinational logic circuit. In combinational logic circuit, the output depends only on the present input. Addition in digital systems is performed by a logic circuit called adder. This is the block diagram of an adder circuit used in computers. These two inputs are two binary numbers, first binary number A and a second binary number B. Another input is a single bit input known as carry in, and the output for the adders are the sum and carry out. Sum is the sum of these two numbers and the carry out is after getting the sum you may have a carry that will be given as the carry out. According to the rules of binary addition, 0 plus 0 gives a sum of 0 and no carry. 0 plus 1 is sum is 1 and no carry. 1 plus 0 sum is 1 and no carry. 1 plus 1 the result is 1 0, that means sum is 0 and a carry 1. For adding two numbers in computers, we have two types of adders, half adder and full adder. Here we will be discussing about the half adder, and half adder accepts two binary digits bits on its inputs and produces two binary digits on its outputs, and the output known as a sum bit and a carry bit. This is the logic symbol for the half adder. The truth table describes the operation of a logic circuit which gives the possible input combination of the two bits and the possible outputs. The truth table describes the operation of a logic circuit. Here for the half adder, the truth table is given like this, which gives the possibilities of the input bits and the corresponding outputs. For adding a 0 and 0, you will get a sum bit 0 and carry as 0, and 0 and 1 after addition you will get a sum as 1 and the carry as 0, and so on. Here A and B are the input variables and sum sigma is the output variable and C out is the another output variable represents the carry out. Boolean expressions can be derived for the sum and the output carry as functions of the input bits A and B. The sum output is a 1 if the input variables are not equal. That means we can represent this as the exclusive OR of the input variables A and B. That means sum bit is equal to A XOR B. Similarly, the output carry is a 1 when both A and B are 1s. That means this can be represented using the AND operation on the bits A and B. So this is represented as A and B. Here is the logic diagram of a half adder, and this XOR gate represents the sum bit and this AND gate produces the carry out. We have seen the adders, and for adding two bits we are using a half adder and which produces a sum bit and a carry out. Now it's time for some questions. Identify the logic expression for the sum output of the half adder. The answer is the sum output of the half adder is represented as the XOR of the input bits. So the answer is A XOR B. Next, what is the carry output of a half adder if the inputs are 1 and 1? When both the inputs are 1s, you will get the sum as the result as 1 0, that means the sum bit is 0 and the carry is 1. So the answer is 1. Which of the following gate produces the carry output of half adder? Definitely AND gate. Which of the following gate produces the sum output of the half adder? XOR gate. Inputs and outputs of a half adder. Half adder takes 2 inputs and gives 2 output bits. So answer is D. So with this we are concluding this session. See you in the next session. Thank you.